When you purchase ductile iron castings from EBAA Iron Incorporated, you're buying the best. That's because our castings go through numerous state-of-the-art manufacturing processes to ensure that they are the highest grade possible. Recycling scrap metal into a ductile iron finished product requires many intricate and purposeful steps. Frankly speaking, this process is a little more sophisticated than simply melting scrap iron and metal and then pouring it into a mold. To begin the process, two quite different steps take place simultaneously. Recycled metals are introduced into two 15-ton melting furnaces, along with certain precisely measured alloys that combine to create our high-quality ductile iron. Base iron samples are taken and allowed to solidify, and then run through a rigorous quality assurance system to verify the iron's properties. At the same time, mold sand preparation is achieved by the proper mixture of sand, water, carbon, and clay, and then run through its own vital quality assurance testing. Once all the correct properties have been verified, the sand is transported to the molding machine area. Here, high-speed automatic molding machines compress the sand mixture into highly defined mold blocks, containing the impressions of each casting's final shape and form. Cores are set with the aid and precision of EBAA's sophisticated and automated robot core setter, installed in 2006, which increases the efficiency and speed of which EBAA can generate high-quality castings. The compressed sand mold blocks automatically form an assembly pouring line as they exit the molding machine every 10 to 12 seconds, and then are transported by conveyor to the pouring area. Each sand mold block now passes through the pouring machine, where it is automatically filled with a precise amount of liquid ductile iron, heated to temperatures of over 2,600 degrees Fahrenheit. A sample of the treated ductile iron is taken, and its properties are assured. In all, a total of 4 quality assurance checks are eventually performed throughout the process to assure the physical properties of the iron. Once the pouring process is completed, the sand molds continue traveling along the conveyor line, allowing the once molten metal to cool and solidify into a ductile casting. Eventually, each mold reaches the shakeout area, where it is dropped into a rotating drum to separate the sand from the casting. As the sand is broken away, the shakeout process allows loose sand to fall through screen filters, where it can be reclaimed for use once it cools. Reclamation and recycling are important components and philosophies for EBAA. And EBAA is proud that their manufacturing process is environmentally friendly, and EBAA products are made from 90% post-industrial recycled steel, certified to meet EBAA's rigorous self-imposed quality standards. After exiting the shakeout area, the ductile iron castings are automatically conveyed to blast cleaning machines, where any remaining sand residue is removed from the casting. Critical casting points are ground and deburred of any rough or unwanted edges in EBAA's cleaning facility, with automated robot grinders for increased personnel safety and efficiency. Each casting is gauged to verify uniformity and proper dimensional compliance. This is the first of many quality assurance checkpoints the castings will go through before becoming a finished product. Once ground and gauged for proper pipe fit, the castings are transferred to the new finishing shop facility, where they undergo any drilling, tapping, and depending on the part series, any other necessary machining operations. These tasks are done with the aid of high-tech CNC turning machines, or precision tool and die equipment. Once these operations are completed, the castings are ready to be hung on the fully automated powder coating line. All ductile iron castings that meet proper standards are then transported to EBAA's state-of-the-art coating and finishing facility, constructed in 2004. Larger components, such as flanges and glands, are now thoroughly cleansed and washed of any surface films or residue substances. The surfaces are also prepared so that they will resist corrosion and assure powder adhesion. Once the castings are rinsed and heat dried, each part passes through an environmentally controlled and highly sophisticated electrostatic spray booth area. Here, automatically controlled spray guns apply specially formulated powder coating to the exterior surface of each component. Referred to as EBAA Megabond, the newly applied coating is heat-cured onto each component as it passes along the automated conveyor line in temperature-sensitive heat-controlled ovens. This process forms a superior bonding reaction between the coating and the ductile iron casting, which then gradually cools before reaching its final destination. Now standard on every ductile iron restraint, the EBAA Megabond restraint coating system concept enables maximum adhesion characteristics when applied onto the ductile iron components. The coating also has excellent impact and abrasion resistance qualities, and also provides an appropriate corrosion protection in most corrosive environments. This coating process offers extended life, improved performance, and overall pleasing appearance of EBAA Iron products. To complete the Megabond restraint coating system concept, smaller ductile iron parts, such as wedges, twist-off nuts, and collar bolts, are processed through a fastener-class fluoropolymer coating system, which EBAA also installed in 2004. Here the parts are batch processed through multiple stages. The first stage consists of cleaning and surface preparation, then a dip-spin wet application of the coating, and lastly heat drying and curing. Before the coated parts are transported to the finishing area for final assembly, the coating process is repeated in order to assure complete coverage on each component and proper mill thickness for adequate corrosion protection. Once the coating operation is completed, the castings are ready for the final assembly process. With all the appropriate components now brought together, a complete product is assembled. The finished products are then stacked in bundles and placed in what EBAA calls their ready-to-ship yard. Thousands of finished products await packaging and shipping instructions from the hundreds of orders that are generated on a daily basis by the numerous EBAA distributors strategically located across North America. As you've just seen, ductile iron products from EBAA Iron go through an extensive array of precise manufacturer processes, utilizing state-of-the-art equipment with an enormous amount of emphasis on quality control at every step. So, if you expect the best, demand EBAA. EBAA Iron, built stronger, lasts longer.